Yo, what's up guys? It's Nevada here and I am back to give you another update today. Alright, so the first thing, I'm gonna be back soon. I'm gonna be like fully back into the game. I'm gonna be playing the game every single day. And the reason why I was gone because, I just turned 18 and I just gotta work, and been really busy lately. But I'm gonna be back really soon, I promise. And I'm gonna have videos uploaded every day. If not, it's gonna be like every other day, So yeah, just wanna post these little clips I got here about 2 days ago, give you guys a little update on what's exactly is going on, because I even just woke up and I gotta go to work as well, so as you can see I'm really busy here, but yeah, just giving you guys an update and I'll be back soon, I promise. So enjoy these clips that you're seeing here. It's not really a long clip, it's really short little clip to go ahead and explain to you guys why exactly I was gone so long, But yeah, this is the last clip right there, so enjoy. Peace.